With eyworks, you can select from a range of products depending on the needs of your setting. Though our products can function independently of each other, if you have more than one product, there is some integration between features. For example, if you have both eylog and eymanage, then staff, children, and groups, which are created through eymanage, are automatically carried over to the eylog system. Take a look at our eymanage guides for information on that. This video is for eylog-only customers to demonstrate how you can set up your nursery by adding groups, children, staff, and parents through eylog. Groups on eylog are what are known as rooms on eymanage, since they represent the physical rooms at your nursery. On the web system, you can create a new group by going to System Settings, Groups, and clicking Add New. Enter the name of the group and provide a description. If you've already added children and practitioners to the system, you can assign them to the group from here. If not, you can do this later. Here, you can upload a photo for the group. When you're done, click Submit. Click on Children in the sidebar to see a list of all children added to your nursery. Click Add New to add a new child. Fill out the form that appears. Generally, we recommend you be as detailed as possible, but at minimum, you should enter the child's first name, last name, date of birth, and legal gender. Here, you can also assign the child to the group we created earlier. Click the Add Parent button to insert details about this child's parent. You can click the button again to add more parents. At minimum for each parent, fill out their first name, last name, and email address. Ticking Share Data with Parent will automatically send out an email to the parent, prompting them to activate their EYParent account. When you're done, click Submit, and the child will appear on the Children's screen. To add a practitioner, click on Practitioners in the sidebar, and then Add New. With practitioners, at minimum you should enter their first name, last name, and email. You can also assign the practitioner to a group from here. In this section at the bottom, you can manage the practitioner's access to the various features of eylog. Check the boxes under Publisher for any features you'd like this practitioner to be allowed publishing rights for. Anything unchecked will have to be reviewed by someone with the correct access before it can be published. Check a box under Reviewer if you'd like to give this practitioner access to review other staff members' work. Any reviewers must also be publishers. Click Submit when you're done. Adding children, staff, and groups to eylog is an essential first step before you can use the other features of the system. Once you have that done, you can move on to using the register, creating observations, filling out the daily diaries, and more. Take a look at our Help Center for guides on all the features of eylog.